Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Eatr Healthy Recipes Cooking app is and how it's positioned. The Eatr app is a food and healthy meal planning tool that provides thousands of recipe ideas tailored to your schedule, skill level, and dietary preferences, according to its official Apple App Store and Google Play Store descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With Eatr, users can browse a huge library of recipes that range from quick 15-minute meals to more involved dishes, so cooking fits both busy days and relaxed evenings. The app may allow users to filter recipes based on cuisine, diet type like keto, vegan, or pescatarian, and meal types so suggestions match personal preferences and goals. It may provide detailed nutritional information for each recipe so you can make informed choices about calories, macros, and healthier eating. Users could also rate recipes and share feedback within the community to help others find dishes that taste good and meet healthy criteria. The app may include easy step-by-step cooking instructions that take the guesswork out of meal preparation, whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook. Because some features like personalized diet filters or advanced meal plans may depend on premium subscriptions or in-app purchases, not all options might be accessible for every user. This is not confirmed and should be considered a potential cause for differences in experience. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.